Hello, this is Dr. David with Synergy Wellness in New York City. If you have bicipital tendonitis or tendonitis on any tendon anywhere in your body, you are going to want to watch this video. We're going to discuss a new treatment for tendonitis or overused soft tissue injury, which is tendonitis, right? Come on over here and check it out. We won't mention any names here, but we have a young lady here who has an MRI showing some arthritis in the labrum. And for those of you that don't know what the labrum is, I shot videos last year because I tore my labrum. And the labrum is the cartilage that holds the arm bone in the socket. And you have a labrum in your hip as well, okay? So hip labrum and a shoulder labrum. And what it does is, again, it holds the humerus bone or the arm bone in the socket. And sometimes people can tear that cartilage with usually a traumatic injury. I had a slap tear, so that was the anterior posterior part of the labrum. But the labrum goes all the way around the joint, 360 degrees, even underneath in the armpit there. Same thing with the hip. The labrum goes all the way around. And there are certain things, certain symptoms and things where I can tell if it's a labrum tear in the hip or in the shoulder. And one of those things is instability. So she came to me with an MRI, thankfully, so there was no guesswork there. An MRI is really the gold standard. It tells us a lot about what's going on with the area that we're testing. So again, MRIs are really the gold standard when it comes to diagnostic tests. So based off of her MRI, we're lasering around the labrum, and we know where the arthritis is specifically because of her scan that she brought in. So that's what we're doing here. We're lasering around the labrum to reduce all the inflammation from the arthritis in the labrum. And I guess my question for you is, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
How's the shoulder specifically? We've done, I'm going to guess 3 or 4 laser treatments, give or take? 3, okay. So you have it counted down. Today's our 4th. How are you doing with your shoulder? Has it improved at all?
It has improved slightly.
Okay, and you haven't really put it to the test yet, have you?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, so, if you have arthritis, really in any joint, and you're considering surgery, remember this, orthoscopic knee surgery especially, and shoulder surgery, are not effective. They've come out with some recent studies. They are not effective treatments. In fact, 5 years later, the follow-ups show that those people are in as much, if not more, pain. So they even showed physical therapy to be better for arthritis in the joints, okay? So if you've done physical therapy, if you've taken ibuprofen or medication and you're still having the pain and the symptoms, this is definitely something you want to consider. Cold laser therapy has 0 side effects. It's extremely effective. It's painless. It's not too expensive. And it heals and repairs the soft tissue. It gets to the source of the problem without all the side effects. With all the other things, cortisone shots, right? They all have side effects. So this is a great therapy to try if you haven't already tried it and you're suffering from arthritic pain. I hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below in this video and I'd be happy to explain it. So all lasers work differently, so we have to use different frequencies, different times. So when people ask me, well, how long does the treatment take? What if I buy this laser on Amazon? All lasers are not created equal. And I've done a video on that, going into lasers and how they work. Don't just go buy a laser on Amazon and laser your shoulder and think it's going to get better. You also need to know how to use the laser, and that's really important. So a lot to know, a lot to think about. If you are considering buying a laser, Multi-Radiance makes a really good pain away laser. We sell those. Those are the rental lasers that we use, and we also rent lasers. So hope that helps. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.